Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Interactive Brokers (IBKR) is a powerful platform celebrated for its advanced options trading capabilities. In this review, we'll delve into the user experience and features of IBKR, providing an overview to help you determine if it aligns with your trading needs. For your convenience, we've included links to Interactive Brokers in the description below. IBKR is well regarded for its robust toolkit and competitive, low-cost fee structure, making it a popular choice for seasoned and professional traders. It's specifically designed for those requiring sophisticated analytical tools, flexibility, and broad access to global markets. A key advantage of IBKR lies in its remarkably low commission rates for options trading. Depending on your trading volume, you can expect to pay as little as 50 cents to 65 cents per contract, positioning it as one of the most cost-effective platforms available, particularly for active traders. These savings can accumulate substantially over time. IBKR further enhances its value proposition with tiered pricing, ensuring competitive rates even for high-volume traders. The platform also facilitates complex multi-leg option strategies, such as spreads and straddles, with smooth and efficient execution. The Trader Workstation (TWS) platform is a core component of the IBKR experience. It boasts an array of sophisticated tools for options analysis, including access to real-time market data, robust risk management features, and an intuitive options strategy builder. Whether constructing intricate strategies or analyzing Greeks to refine your positions, TWS offers an unparalleled depth of functionality. IBKR also integrates valuable resources like the Option Strategy Lab and Probability Lab, empowering traders to visualize potential outcomes and optimize their strategies. Another compelling benefit of IBKR is its extensive access to global options markets, covering exchanges in the US, Europe, and Asia. This expansive reach eliminates limitations to domestic trading opportunities, presenting a significant advantage for active traders. Beyond its robust trading tools, IBKR provides customizable dashboards and a mobile app, allowing you to monitor your trades conveniently, even while on the go. However, it's important to acknowledge IBKR's steep learning curve. While the platform's tools are undeniably powerful, they can be overwhelming for beginners. IBKR is not specifically designed for casual traders, therefore, those new to options trading may find it challenging to navigate initially. That being said, IBKR offers extensive educational resources and a demo account, which can help users progressively develop their skills and familiarity with the platform. In summary, Interactive Brokers is an excellent choice for experienced options traders who prioritize low costs, advanced analytical tools, and access to international markets. If you're committed to options trading and prepared to invest the time required to master the platform, IBKR delivers exceptional value and functionality.